my people, this matter when I want to talk about so now about Edobebe and his sister, who they call happiness. Is this for real? This thing where they act, whether na movie, whether na content, I don't know, whether na prank, is this for real? See what happiness they do. Carry her sister clothes where she take do celebrate her birthday, where she take do the photo shoot of her birthday. She carry and go market, say she won't sell her. Say she won't sell her. But wetin her sister do, babe, I not like her. You for not burn your younger sister clothes, no matter what. You for not burn the clothes, even if now you buy them, you for not burn the clothes. But anyway, my people, this one is getting out of hand. This happiness supposed to compose itself because she is a woman. I don't understand why woman go dey so stubborn like this, knowing fully well say one day she go get married, and this the way she dey do fit affect her. Guys, watch this video. If you watch this video, if you don't forget to share, comment, follow me for my page, Linda Gist TV, both on YouTube channel. Please share your opinion for this matter of happiness and Edobebe, will be elder sister. See you for my next video. For me to you now. Bye bye.
You know injure me, you know how much. No injure me, oh. You know how much injure me, oh. No injure me, oh.
That's not now.
You see my club. If I never recover this money, we don't get peace on this house.
Stop this.
I dey go sell am. If I never recover this money, nobody go get peace on this house.
You won't
I
sell.
swear to God. Stop one. Stop one.
You know what happened, okay? You know what happened?
For me, see, if I not see you go buy out, me say go see burn am.
You go burn am.
Maybe one.
You go burn the
clothes. You burn this clothes. You know, this actually, you pass all those useless stuff.
What did happen now? See, why you don't be a bad things that you don't carry a throw for us like this? What did happen to you in happiness?
Not the stand for
you
my
know what
way.
you do yesterday? Never reach. You never reach.
Not the stand for my way again.
You go crazy every day.
Now walk the video so that.
Why you go with that clothes? Because you not there now. Why you do this rubbish, Abi? Because you not there. No worry, this thing down video. If she come, immediately I go show her. Immediately I go show her this video. Who said nonsense be this? Your own madness not dey reduce. Now I go to the trouble girl like this. See her clothes.
You go. What did they bring that kind of rubbish?
I be the what did happen to you now? Stop this rubbish. What do you want to do with that clothes? Eh? What do you want to do with that clothes now?
You see my clothes. If I never recover this money, we don't get peace on this house.
Stop this.
I go sell am. If I never recover this money, nobody go get peace on this house. I swear to God.
You won't say Edobebe clothes. Happiness, you won't say, you open your mouth say you won't say Edobebe clothes. I'm not going to increase sense.
No, na my wife for.
You won't say Edobebe clothes.
They call and they call.
You won't say.
I'll enjoy you.
You won't say.
I go enjoy you. I go enjoy.
You won't say Edobebe clothes.
The problem go there.
You won't say Edobebe. You won't say Edobebe
clothes.
Because you know there.
I go enjoy you.
Because you know there. Now why they do this rubbish?
This of our break, I be like that. This one they shack you.
Man, they call her.
If you try to touch my things again, God will punish you.
You say because of say she know there. Now why they do all this?
Send me the rest.
No part this thing.
Una send me the rest.
No carry this thing out for you.
You go your proof where pull letter. Una send me the rest.
Okay.
I go your rest like that. Okay. How many cloth I get? Go sit there. My cloth.
Yesterday you just
know better for you.
You just carry on.
I know better for you.
Now you know go better for. Now you know go better for your madness. You know go better for you.
Where I swear to go. Come touch this thing.
Immediately she come back.
Touch this thing again. The boy you wear.
I dey show her this video.
Touch her again.
I go touch am. You know we can say you wan go dey say am. You wan go dey say am for some control market.
This cloth na say I wan sell.
You wan go say am for control. You wan go say her clothes. In the place. You go see what I go fit say this clothes.
Wow. Now wow. What be this? Huh? What be this? Which kind of character be this? What is this for God's sake? Why is she behaving like this? What is this? Hey. Now wow. See happiness. See the way
I'm going to sell am in the case.
God, I go punish you.
You know people find money on your own.
Shebi this beat now, you don't cut am.
Now you cut am.
I'll still sell her like that.
Not be the carry am. Not be the carry am.
I go still sell her like that.
You don't go even try am, say. You don't go even try am. You won't go dey sell your Edobebe clothes. Then you won't go dey sell for market.
I don't want you to say this thing don't complete. They hear me.
Happiness. Better stop this rubbish. Better go keep this clothes back. Better go keep this clothes back.
I'll wipe you, no?
Better go keep this clothes back.
I'll wipe you. Why you gonna? You don't mad? Gonna punish you.
You won't break my hand.
I tried this up. You don't try me, oh. I got to come for you, but you
You
don't
won't
try
break
me,
my
oh.
hand. You won't break my hand. Eh? You won't break my hand. Happiness. Carry this clothes, go drop them back for inside this house.
I'm a rude boy. You get mad.
Now you the man.
God, they punish you.
Now you the
Case.
man. Now you the man.
You want break my God, they punish you.
You don't go sell these clothes. You don't go sell suiters because you know they. If you there now, you go fit do all this rubbish. If you there now, you go fit do all this rubbish. If you there now, you go fit do all this rubbish. You don't go sell them. You don't go sell them. Drop that and back. Better drop that and back. When she come, immediately I go show her this video. Immediately then I show her this video. You almost Happiness, come back with that clothes. Why they do like say something they shake for your brain? Your brain they shake. Ah, this girl. Who swear for this girl? Who swear for you? The native doctor will do you, eh? The native doctor will do you now. Strong native doctor. Go keep those clothes inside.
Come now.
Go keep those clothes inside.
You know what carry?
Una no carry her up.
Why is she behaving like this? What is this? Hey. Ah, wow. See happiness, see happiness. See the way happiness wants. See. Hey. Wow. Hey. What is this? God. Eh? See. What is this? Ah, wow. Eh? What is this? What is this? Eh? Ah, wow. Now, wow. What is this? Hey. Eh? What is this? Which kind of character be this? What is this for God's sake? Why is she behaving like this? What is this? Hey. Ah, wow. See happiness, see happiness. See the way happiness wants. See. Hey. Ah, wow. Hey. What is this? God. Eh? See. What is this?
Happy. Yeah, wow, where's the video? Yeah, where's the video? Kono gbe ya din we lu na ti we go dey do it. Yeah, where's the video? You come away do and live a life where you are free to live your life. Then I'm going to night of you give me as a happy na run me. What in my clothes they do for you?
They embarrass me.
Even inside the one where I said do birthday, not concerned, I know they use that again.
They embarrass me.
Happy, me they embarrass you.
They come and if you want to talk to me, they talk. Not they call. Hey, it's when you mail.
Happy, you even carry the ones when I dey wear go out outside the one. This one you feel sell them. I don't get issue with you. Happy, you carry my clothes. Like what me yours do you reach like that? What I do you reach like that?
If they talk, you say.
What I do you reach like that?
You say because I burn your clothes. They talk that one. They add that one join the line. Because you never talk what really happen. You say you want sell my clothes
I
because I
want you.
burn
May
your
you not
clothes.
they touch my things. Say I don't want you.
Which of your things I touch?
I want you say me not they touch.
Which of your things I touch?
Happy.
Which of your things?
I want you.
You
I
don't
don't
touch
want you.
Which of your things?
You know touch her
Look
soup.
like this.
Who they kill?
You know touch her soup.
Happy.
Come on your hand for this nylon.
Happy.
Who they kill?
No touch me
God,
with
they
your
punish
hand.
Happy no my clothes dey
God
cross.
they punish you.
Let me
And
go
my
back
clothes
to
dey
your
cross.
happiness.
You think say me go cry for you?
They embarrass
You see the things wey you dey do to
embarrass
me
me.
so. The things wey you dey do to me.
They embarrass
The things wey you dey
Don't
do
touch
to
me,
me.
Asino.
These things wey you dey do to
Madam,
me
come
so.
give me.
Your
Package.
younger ones go do am to you. Your younger
Make
ones
them
go
do
do am.
am.
The things wey you dey do to me. Your younger ones dey
Make
do am
them
to
do
you.
it. If you don't talk finish, they go.
The things wey you dey do to me.
Cameroon boy.
Cameroon boy, leave am.
What is this? Wetin be this? Which kind character be this? What is this for God's sake? Why is she behaving like this? What is this? Hey, wow. See happiness, see happiness. See the way happiness wants. See. Hey. Wow. Hey. What be this?
Not try this.
Me go sell and use that replace the cloth.
I did not try this.
I go sell and use that replace the
You not
cloth.
try this nonsense.
Madam, better get out.
Even my bag. Give me. Even my bag.
See, I
Her
dey
bag,
warn
oh.
you. I dey warn you.
My new bag.
Her new bags.
Even my new.
Except for Yabi.
What's this thing?
I've even my new bag.
See your bag.
Even my new bag.
Hey, don't try am.
You know how
Read
much
up
this
your
bag
head.
cost?
No,
You know how much? You know how much this
No
bag
eat
cost?
me again.
You know how
I
much?
dey respect you. No eat me again.
You know how much
No
this
eat me
bag
again. I dey respect you.
You know how much this bag cost? I dey ask you.
I dey tell you, she just carry everything.
You're just less clothes when I born. Not because you want to sell my
Why you go burn my cloth? Who give you the right to burn my
want to
cloth?
sell my
Why you go burn my cloth? If I no see you go buy am, me go burn am.
You know how much
If I no see you go buy am, if I no see you go buy am, go burn am. No injure me, oh.
You know
No injure me, no
you know
go
how
burn.
much
No injure me, oh.
You know how much
No injure me, oh. No injure me, oh. You say still dey hear me. Stop.
What be this? God. See. What be this? Wow. What is this? What be this? Wow. Now wow. What be this? What be this? Which kind character be this? What is this for God's sake? Why is she behaving like this? What is this? Hey. Wow. See happiness, see happiness. See the way happiness wants. See. Hey. Wow. Hey. What be this? God. See. What be this? Wow. What is this? What be this? Wow. Now wow. What be this?
Better pack those things, bring and come out.
You see poor people, avoid them. People wey poor, they ungrateful. Because no matter how much you try do for them, they don't go value you. They don't go value am. And for all wetin I don't do for my sister, she get mine because I come up for us, I know they around. This girl pack my things. Upon wetin she do last night, she still get my pack my things. She want go sell my outfit. Those outfits are very expensive. Only one of that outfit, he go buy those dirty clothes where I born. Where I born, all of them go buy am. He go even remain. Happiness pack my clothes out. She can't go main road. Go and sell my clothes. Say because I born, I want her. Say Happiness fine. From now on, you can live your life. You see anything where I want to do for this house, I'll they do 70%. 30% are from you because I'm small, I think senior you. If they hear me, I don't feel they do everything for you. I'll keep you for my house here. I'll feed you, clothes, everything. I don't fit. If they hear me so. If you not start to do something, now when she wants to do something. How many years I did when I did struggle for myself? How many years? You see poor people. Some poor people, in fact, poor people are very ungrateful. They are ungrateful. The one may cut your head, give them. If you never cut your head, give them. They're not going to appreciate what they do. Now the barber side, now they
What be this? God. See. What be this? Now wow. What is this? What be this? Now wow. Now wow. Wetin be this? Hey. Eh? Wetin be this? Which kind character be this? What is this for God's sake? Why is she behaving like this? What is this? Hey. Now wow. See happiness, see happiness. See the way happiness wants. See. Hey. Wow. Hey. Wetin be this? God. Eh? See. Wetin be this? Now wow. Eh? What is this? Wetin be this? Eh? Now wow. Now wow. Wetin be this? Hey. Eh? Wetin be this? Which kind character be this? What is this for God's sake? Why is she behaving like this? What is this? Hey. Now wow. See happiness, see happiness. See the way happiness wants.